February 22nd. A progressive split flow pattern is driving today's impacts, with a moist Pacific jet into the northwest, Lee cyclogenesis over the high plains, and a broad return flow regime east of the Rockies. Primary operational focus this morning is the west coast for ceilings and mountain obscuration, the central plains into the Midwest for strengthening winds and developing precipitation, and portions of the southeast for low ceilings and patchy convection. In the Pacific Northwest, steady onshore flow beneath a modest upper trough is keeping Seattle and Portland in widespread MVFR, with pockets of IFR in heavier showers and terrain obscuration along the Cascades and Olympics. Moderate icing is likely in the cloud layer from roughly 5 to 15,000 feet, with embedded turbulence in the stronger westerly flow aloft. Northern California into the Bay Area remains unsettled with periodic light rain and low ceilings affecting arrival banks into San Francisco and Sacramento, while Southern California stays largely VFR with only localized morning stratus near the coast. Across the Rockies and Intermountain West, snow showers continue over the higher terrain of Idaho, western Montana, and Colorado, with mountain wave turbulence and gusty surface winds impacting Denver and Salt Lake City. Expect mechanical turbulence on climb and descent corridors and areas of moderate chop-down wind of major ranges. In the Central Plains, a developing surface low over eastern Colorado and western Kansas is tightening the gradient. Wichita, Kansas City, and Omaha will see increasing southerly winds with gusts approaching crosswind thresholds on north-south runways. Moisture return is supporting expanding light rain and pockets of mixed precipitation north of the low track into Nebraska and Iowa, with localized IFR ceilings. Chicago and Des Moines trend toward lower ceilings through the day as isentropic lift strengthens ahead of the system. Farther south from Dallas to Memphis, expect mainly MVFR with scattered showers but limited instability, so thunder coverage should remain isolated. In the southeast, a warm and moist boundary layer beneath weak upper support is producing areas of low stratus and patchy morning fog from Houston to Atlanta and the Carolinas. Expect gradual lifting to MVFR and VFR by late morning, though coastal terminals in Florida may hold onto lower ceilings longer with an onshore component. The Mid-Atlantic and Northeast remain largely VFR under weak high pressure, though increasing high clouds and a tightening gradient will bring gusty southwest winds into Pittsburgh, Washington, and New York by afternoon with light chop in the low levels. No widespread convective outbreaks today, but multiple regions will contend with ceilings, icing in the west, and strengthening winds across the plains, so plan fuel and alternates accordingly.